Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning the multiplication properties of whole numbers. In this, we will be learning about different properties such as closure property of multiplication, commutative property of multiplication, associative property of multiplication, distributive property of multiplication over addition, and identity for multiplication. Moving on to the introduction part. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers that are starting from 1, 2, 3 and it goes up to infinity. Now, what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are the numbers which include 0 and natural numbers and it is denoted by capital W. Here, two things you need to remember, that all natural numbers are whole numbers and all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Okay, now why we need to learn the properties of whole number? Because it helps us to understand the numbers better and it makes the calculation simple. Totally, there are 5 properties, and in this video, we will be dealing with all the properties in detail. First property, that is closure property of multiplication. Multiplication of any two whole number is a whole number. Let us take an example. 5, which is a whole number, multiplied with another whole number 4 gives 20, which is also a whole number. Thus, whole numbers are closed under multiplication and this property is called as closure property. Moving on to the second property, that is commutative property of multiplication. In mathematics, commutative means if you are changing the order of operands, it does not change the result. Let us take the same example. 5 multiplied by 4 gives 20, which is also a whole number. Now, if you are changing the order of the operands, that is 4 multiplied by 5, which also gives 20. In both the cases, the result is the same whole number. That is, we can multiply two whole numbers, A and B, in any order. That is, A into B is equal to B into A, which is equal to C. And this property is called as commutative property of multiplication. Now moving on to the third property, that is associative property of multiplication. If you are multiplying 3 or more than 3 whole numbers, even by changing the grouping, we get the same whole number. Let us take an example. 5 multiplied by 4 into 2. First, you need to solve the numbers which are given in the bracket. That is, 4 into 2 gives 8. So, 5 multiplied by 8 gives us 40. Similarly, if you are changing the grouping, that is 5 multiplied by 4 into 2 gives us 20 into 2, which is equal to 40. Even if you are changing the grouping, the value or the result is not going to change. Thus, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C, and this property is called as associative property of multiplication. Let us take an example. 625 multiplied by 3159 multiplied by 4. First, let us rearrange the operands. That is 625 multiplied by 4 into 3159. And next step is to group the numbers. By using associative property, by solving the numbers, we get 1 crore, 87 lakhs, 95,000. Moving on to the next property, that is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Let A, B, and C be the three whole numbers. Then A into B plus C. Just notice here, B plus C is in the brackets, is equal to A into B plus A into C. What we have done here is just reformulating or altering the left hand side. This is known as distributive property of multiplication over addition. Let us take an example. Find 15 into 68. 68 can be written as 60 plus 8. So it is 15 into 60 plus 8. Now, by using distributive property of multiplication over addition, we get 1020. The last property is the identity for multiplication. When you multiply a whole number by 1, the number does not change. For example, let us take 53 multiplied by 1 gives 53. That is, its identity remains the same. Thus, 1 is the identity for multiplication of whole numbers. Thank you.